Good afternoon and welcome to St. Clair County EMA for our weekly COVID briefing. I'm joined today by EMA Director Herb Simmons, and we're going to get right into the numbers. In St. Clair County, they've tested 534,878, which is an increase of 11,265 since last week. Positive test results are 41,021, which is an increase of 331 since last week. Those are males and females under the age of 1 up to their 80s. And that brings our weekly county positivity rate down this week to 2.9%. Negative test results were at 493,857. Sadly, we are adding 5 additional COVID-19 related deaths this week, bringing the countywide total to 567. Those were 2 females in their 60s and 2 females in their 70s who did have underlying health conditions, and a female in her 90s with unknown health conditions. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 40,000. For state totals, they've tested 36,675,122. Positive test results of 1,727,634, and that's an increase of 21,857 since last week. The state did announce 130 additional COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 26,028. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 18 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness with 0 patients on ventilators. Regionally, there are 44 patients on admitted due to COVID-related illness with 4 of those patients on ventilators. You'll see the breakdown from our hospitals that was provided. Of the 18 hospitalized, 16 of those 18 are currently unvaccinated. And of the 2 patients in the ICU, 1 of them is unvaccinated. For our age breakdown, you will also see that this week we have 12% of our cases under the age of 10, 18% in the 11 to 20-year-olds, and a little over 50% total under the age of 40. So that number is still greatly affecting our younger populations. For our congregate living facilities, we'll only announce the changes this week. Memorial Care Center added 3 cases, and New Athens Home for the Aged added 3 cases. Today is the last day for vaccines at the mass vaccination site at the fairgrounds. After today, the fairgrounds site will close, and all services are transitioned back to 330 West Main. 330 West Main will be closed tomorrow in honor of the Veterans Day holiday, and then reopen on Friday. They are open Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. They offer all 3 vaccines, the Pfizer, the Johnson & Johnson, and the Moderna, every day of the week. Appointments are recommended but not required at that site. One thing we would like to pass on, since the fairgrounds reopened on October 5th until their closure today, we're happy to say another 7,190 people took advantage of that process there at the fairgrounds to get their vaccinations down there. So again, it was a very successful endeavor. For those 5 through 12-year-olds that are now eligible for the Pfizer vaccine, St. Clair County Health Department is offering clinics at the health department. You can register for those clinics online on the health department's website, or you can call 618-825-4447, and they will get you scheduled for that. An appointment is required for those. And there's also various pediatricians' office, CVS, Walgreens offering those pediatric doses now. So it's time to make sure we get everybody that's eligible for those shots. And I will turn it over to Director Simmons now.
Thanks, Brian, for that report. 7,000 more citizens taking advantage of that is really great. Wish more would have, but we'll take the 7,000 and keep getting the word out there to them. We'll do the zip code report this week. 62059 went up 2 to 60. 62201 went up 14 to 837. 62203 went up 3 to 916. 62204 went up 7 to 623. 62205 went up 15 to 961. 62206 went up 12 to 2027. 62207 went up 8 to 965. 62208 went up 12 to 2,358. 62220 went up 23 to 2,862. 62221 went up 33 to 3,873. 62223 went up 18 to 2,527. 62225 went up 4 to 263. 62226 went up 27 to 4,396. 62232 went up 14 to 1,243. 62239 went up 18 to 714. 62240 went up 2 to 247. 62243 went up 12 to 990. 62254 went up 4 to 1,000. 62258 went up 15 to 1,479. 62260 went up 13 to 1,006. 62264 went up 7 to 506. And 62269 went up 52 to 4,550. And Brian, as you said, today's the last day at the fairgrounds. It's been successful. We want to thank all of the staff at the fairgrounds, the health department, and everybody who took part in doing that. Hopefully we don't have to ever think about reopening it back up.
I agree.
So, but 330 West Main Street will remain open for the time being. As Brian said, appointments aren't needed, but it's encouraged to do so. Please be patient. If you get there, it may be a little bit longer time, but it's well worth it. So if we have any other information between now and next Wednesday, we'll be bringing it to you. If not, we'll see you then. Everybody have a good evening.